A dream home is not created in a day, and Secret Brother demonstrates that truth daily. Rather than waiting for the ideal moment, he grabs his tools and gets started, whether he is painting walls, fixing plumbing, repairing damage, or tackling expected issue. He faces each challenge with determination and passions resonating. A house is both physically taxing and mentally trying, but he knows that lasting results come from steady effort rather than shortcuts. Each repaired room, fresh coat of paint, and completed project brings him closer to transforming an old house into a lovely home. His journey serves as a reminder that success is any area of life is achieved is the same way, one task, one improvement, and one victory at a time. Observing his commitment encourages us to remain dedicated to our own goals. Even when progress seems slow, keep pushing forward, keep learning, and remember that the most significant changes come from persistence, hard work, and the courage to never give up. Thanks for watching and joining us.